She's out picking her apples. Look. Hello, Dee Dee. Huh?
I didn't expect it to be you.
Right?
When did you come home?
Left last night, 12 o'clock.
Wow, man.
I'm good to see you.
Yes, my lord. How long has it been?
What are you doing, bacon?
I'm doing cinnamon rolls.
Camera on, the glass is steamed up now.
Putting cinnamon rolls in the oven.
What you got, tamales?
I picked them all because they're all green.
Yeah. Did you turn them red on you?
Oh my god, it's taking a long time.
Is it? You got them in the bag?
I haven't got a bag, I got a box.
Yeah.
Takes a long time from turn.
Yeah, it do. Especially when they're green.
Yeah. I mean,
How's your cabbage doing?
my cabbage down to Land's doing good at all little O's.
It looks good,
When
Danny.
did you come home then?
I got on the plane last night, 12.
Up here, got 20 more days up for you.
Yeah, I know.
Hey everybody, I just want to say thank you to Nancy Chip. This is her beautiful flowers she so made summer from her greenhouse. And just look, Bobby, they're just starting to get cool enough now to die. Look at them. I told her, they're right up to here.
They're gorgeous stuff.
Yeah. Pink, purple. Gorgeous. Look.
So they're only annuals.
Yeah, that's a annual.
So that means don't come back next year.
No.
Look at the apple trees, folks.
Yeah, that's all apple trees. Bobby, I've seen the biggest slug I ever seen in my life. So it's that long.
Right?
It's about that long. I couldn't believe it when I was picking under the apple trees and I seen picks up slugs and squishes them. Seen this something and threw it and I was like, that was spotted. What is that? So when
Big old lipper slug.
Great big old tiger slug. Oh, he's that long for sure.
I know.
He had two things this way and two things this way.
Yeah, he's giant.
Yeah. So I'm out here every day watering this, fertilizing it. Can't seem to get it to grow like I want it to grow.
Time whack it outdoors, I'd say, in this cold weather.
So this is we got the slugs come in and eat a lot of my leaves, so I just soon picked them off.
Yeah, that's right.
They got in there up under the hedge of this. This is where they were hiding.
Oh yeah, down under that is.
The lid, just see that? That's where they're hiding. And that's where they were too, all in there, coming in through the plastic, eating all these. They never got started in the fish tub. So from the fish tub over, nothing of eat this. All my peppers, there's my peppers there now. Look at this one down there, see it?
Yeah, have you got any dough? Have you took any off?
I took 5 already. Look at this one in there. See it? He's red, look. How
Oh,
big
yeah.
he is.
Ready to come on.
Yeah, another one right there you can't hardly see. When they're so green you can't hardly see them. But look at the jalapeno.
Is you pollinating your cucumbers?
No, I haven't been doing anything with it honestly because for the longest time it didn't even grow. It was only now. See, I got a little cucumber there.
Yeah.
So the apple tree, usually, I guess big apples. But this is the normal size. She dropped all of her baby apples this summer.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm getting them that size. Oh, that's pretty good and big for what's coming off. See them?
Yeah.
So, still lovely little apple. Do something with, but small compared to a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
Right?
Still lots from
But
up
that
there.
caterpillar got on everything and
Still lots from up there,
destroyed
Dina.
it. This is all rotten ones that birds have got up.
Right? They're good for
Good for,
making mowing.
oh yes, stuff like that. Yes, what? Good for feed your pigs if you had pigs.
Right? Good for throwing a bucket of wine, Dina.
But every night when you're sitting on the couch, you could hear tick, ding, 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 coming across the roof of the house and falling down.
They're there on top.
Yeah. See, this is what the birds are doing. See that? Comes in and
Yeah.
chews out the whole, right? So this is zinnias.
Oh.
Just look, it's absolutely beautiful. Just look at them. They're gorgeous. So I just grew that in the house. And the Bobby, this is, remember, like you got the dahlias, the little mini ones. Slugs got on them. See, slugs got on it.
Wait, so they never open yet?
No, no.
Some late opening?
Yeah, yours already bloomed and done.
Yes, mine's almost dead over there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's where. Now, a lot of plants the year I bought from Nancy Chip in her greenhouse. She had a lot of marigolds, and I don't know the name of this one, but it was gorgeous. Everything's starting to die off now. See, Bobby? See it?
Yeah, you're going to be soon collecting seeds.
Yeah. And so this is another one from Nancy. I don't know what that is either, but look how pretty it is.
Yeah, that is nice.
Fluffy, look.
Mm-hmm.
And I have the little flowers, zinnias. Look at them, isn't they beautiful?
There.
I just love them. I put a little circle there in the garden. So it's another time of year now when everything got be picked and put away and harvested and yep, my black-eyed Susan.
I got some harvesting to do now.
Yeah. So this is what we've been hearing about potatoes is once their stalk falls, you get 3 weeks from they grow bigger underneath.
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard that, Bobby, if it's true.
So my stalks has fallen, and someone said to me, "You still got potatoes in the ground?" Yeah, I do. They don't hurt in the ground until winter comes. So.
No. Now this is the thing about me and Perry. We try to leave everything into at least Halloween.
Right.
If we could do it, it's going to be left in the ground.
Right.
And I've heard people say too, we got a lot of turnip growing the year, and I've heard people say now you're going to get sticks in your turnip. So now we were reading online, needs at least 2 frosts to make them sweet.
So.
What do you know about it, folks? Let us know.
Yeah. So it was a beautiful evening, and I just got home, just landed. So I'm out in the garden with Dini.
Excited already.
Right? So the thing.
Turn around and show our view, Bobby, from your house.
Oh, you gotta see this.
Yes.
Oh, I'm going on the dark side.
This is our beautiful cove, folks, in Middle Arm. This is the cove, and this is what we call the cove.
Right.
And this is up here by the water.
So listen, we got 1,000 subscribers. Thanks to everyone who's following us.
Thank you, everybody.
What you got to do is hit the subscribe button. Everyone says to me, I don't know if I can subscribe. I don't know how much money it costs. It don't cost nothing to subscribe. You just hit the subscribe button. So on behalf of Newfoundland Gardener, push that button and subscribe. We got 1,000 subscribers. Thanks everyone for subscribing to our channel. Hope we could keep making some content.
We're not great growers, but we're having a whole lot of fun.
See you on the flip side. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for being a big part of Newfoundland Gardener. Thanks for following us on YouTube. Bob and Newfoundland Gardener. Let's keep growing on the rock. Have a good one, everyone.